We keep our focus on the developments related to Angel Chakma's tragic death. The family of Angel Chakma has stepped up the demand for justice, seeking a CBI probe into Angel's killing. The family now has submitted a 6-point charter to a minister in Tripura, calling for action, and also it is demanding action against the neurosurgeon and also is alleging medical negligence at the Graphic Era Hospital. They've also demanded immediate arrest of the 6th accused and equal punishment for all of those who were involved. My colleague Kritika is with us. Kritika, the family, one, has rejected the claims that were, or the version that was given out by the police, where they tried to downplay the angle of a racially motivated attack, and now they are also raising questions on medical negligence. Keep our viewers up to speed with all that has happened in the last few hours.
Yes, as far as the demands made by the Chakma family is concerned, firstly, they're stating and restating that this is what they believe is a racial atrocity and must be treated so. They've also asked for a CBI investigation within 48 hours because they've also said that there have been previously documented delays on the part of the Dehradun police, and that is why they want either a CBI investigation into this entire matter or an SIT to be set up. They've also demanded the immediate arrest of the 5th accused, who's also currently, of the 6th accused rather, who is also currently absconding. And the police has not been able to trace him thus far. He's also stated to be the person who was in possession and who was in fact wearing the blunt Mr. Pandey on part of Dr. Pandey as well. But the family yesterday in an exclusive conversation to Times Now had also stated was that Angel was able to regain consciousness. He was also able to ask for water in one of these days after his surgery. But because there was estimated that he might have to go into surgery soon, he was not given water, which is a procedural process. But this is what the family has said, that he did show signs of recovery. Despite that, his status completely, in fact, flattened, and by the end, he did die by early morning hours of the 26th. And that is why an investigation into his medical conduct, into any form of influence that he might be under, is also something that the family wants answers into. The family is also asking about possible premeditated motives as well, because remember, the kind of the clash that happened, it lasted only a few minutes, but it has resulted in the loss of Angel's life.
And
over
for
to you.
17 days, battle for life, and the medical report revealed the extent of the brutality, how severe the attack was. I want you to stay with us, Kritika, because a nationwide outrage over the gruesome killing of Angel Chakma in Uttarakhand. His medical report has been accessed. Now, this medical report reveals the sheer brutality that 24-year-old Angel Chakma was subjected to. He suffered bleeding in the brain and injuries in the spinal cord. Was subjected to. He suffered bleeding in the brain and injuries in the spinal cord. There was a 3-centimeter deep wound on the back. The medical report also mentions injury above the neck caused by a blunt object. Angel also lost function in the right side of his body. So imagine the kind of brutality he had to go through, because of which he lost function in the right side of his body. There's more breaking news coming in, viewers, because there's a nationwide outrage over Angel Chakma's killing, and also questions are being raised as to why the police authorities are trying to downplay the racial attack angle. Right now, it's the NHRC which has taken note, and the NHRC has sought a report. They've issued a notice to the state government. They're asking the police to ensure safety of students from the northeast. We also have, Kritika, who's covering all the details. But once again, viewers who are just joining us on this broadcast, in the latest, it is the NHRC which has taken cognizance of the killing of Angel Chakma. They've issued a notice to the state government, and they are asking the police in Uttarakhand to ensure safety of students in the northeast. Kritika continues to stay with us. NHRC has taken note. There are questions that the family is also asking. The family now is demanding a CBI investigation. The Chief Minister, on his part, has assured justice. But if we just look at the way things are panning out, Kritika, the family seems to be losing faith in the state government.
Well, clearly, Sagrika, the families also stated that when it comes to a trial, then the entire case should be transferred to Delhi, because traveling to Uttarakhand also from Tripura, as the family says, is also a hassle. So there are multiple aspects as far as this case is concerned, wherein they're feeling they're feeling aggrieved and again. They've already lost their 24-year-old Angel, and now the process also of getting him justice, even at the very beginning also, since the day of 9th December, has been arduous, and they are not seeing any respite from the same, specifically as far as the Uttarakhand government is concerned. Now, we're also hearing that the NHRC has also taken cognizance of the entire incident, and by 5th of January is when a compiled report from the state of Uttarakhand has to be submitted to the NHRC, detailing the factors and detailing the provisions that the government currently has in place for the safety and protection of students coming in, specifically from the northeastern states. It also has to lay out all the investigative details, the action taken by the police as well. Remember, the same police, the SSP, who on Times Now has also first said that this is what he believes not to be a racial incident and only a spur-in-the-moment conversation and altercation that happened between the accused group and Angel and Michael Chakma.
And you know, Kritika, is there any development with regards to the absconding accused? Because the police have stated that one of the accused is from Nepal, and teams have been also sent to nab the accused. Stay with us, Kritika. We'll talk about the investigation updates. We'll also talk about what the state government has done so far with regards to Angel Chakma's death investigation, the stabbing incident. Let's tell you about what the NHRC is saying. Now, viewers, Priyank Konungo of the NHRC says he's taken cognizance of the murder of a student from Tripura and Dehradun. Notice has been issued to the state government seeking a report on the action taken so far, and also the Chief Secretary and the DGP have been directed to ensure on highest priority the safety of students from Northeast across the state. So this is the NHRC now stepping in. A notice has also been issued to the state government. But what has the state government done so far? Let me go back to Kritika, my colleague, who continues getting us all those updates so far. Kritika, what is the state government putting on record? Because after more than 14 days, Angel, who suffered these grievous injuries in that brutal assault, he passed away. What has the state government done so far? On record, what has the state government said?
Well, 5 arrests have taken place, most of them on the 14th of December. 2 are juveniles, so they've been sent to correctional homes, and 3 are under custody currently. The absconding, the main accused who was wearing the bracelet, the kada, he is still absconding. A team has been sent to fetch for him. There are conversations with the Uttar Pradesh government as well, so as to help them out as far as the border locations at the Nepal border is also concerned. So the investigation is continuing on that front. However, the CCTV has also been picked up from the market, from the Selakoi market, where the wine shop and the grocery shop was located, where the accused group was partying, and Angel and Michael Chakma were also present. Apart from the CCTV, details from the Graphic Era Hospital are also expected to emerge today.
Right.
Details regarding the PCR calls, whether any PCR calls were made from the market site or from the hospital, is still awaited. Over to you.
So for now, the family is seeking a CBI investigation. The NHRC has sought a report from the Uttarakhand government. Also, the police at this point of time has sent a team. There is a team that is trying to nab the accused, who, as per the cops, is from Nepal. Viewers, the stabbing happened on the 9th of December, but Angel Chakma succumbed to his injuries 14 days later. 5 of the accused have been arrested. There is a hunt that is underway for the 6th accused, as we've been telling you. Chief Minister of Uttarakhand has also assured strictest possible action will be taken.
6 हत्या के आरोपी हैं, उनमें से 5 पहले से ही पुलिस ने उनको गिरफ्तार कर लिया है, वो सभी जेल में हैं। मैं स्पष्ट करना चाहता हूं, दोषियों को किसी भी परिस्थिति में बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। उन्हें कानून के अनुसार कठोरतम दंड दिलाया जाएगा।
Now, there's a controversy over the claims made by the police in this case, even as the investigation is in its early stages and there's a hunt on for the 6th accused. The police have denied the racial attack angle. The police has also said that one of the accused is from Manipur and one of the accused is from Nepal. Now, the opposition is training guns at the Uttarakhand government and also the police, saying, why jump the gun when the probe is still underway?
कोई रेशियल रिमार्क्स है, चूंकि जो भी हमारी इन्वेस्टिगेशन अभी आई है, ये हमें समझना जरूरी है कि जो दूसरी तरफ से जो अक्यूज है वो भी नॉर्थ ईस्ट से रिलेटेड थे। उसमें एक जो अक्यूज है वो मणिपुर का रहने वाला था और सेकंड वन इज नेपालीज ओरिजिन। तो रेशियल रिमार्क्स की बात नहीं है, एक तरफ से एक पक्ष जो था वो आपस में कमेंट कर रहे थे, आपस में जैसे कहते हैं कि चूंकि इसमें 2 अंडर एज थे, और उस कमेंट में आपस में कमेंट को ऐसा प्रतीत हुआ कि जैसे वो सेकंड पार्टी जो भी अग्रीड पार्टी है उनको लगा कि उनके लिए किया जा रहा है।
And there's politics over the death of Angel Chakma. After Angel Chakma was killed in Uttarakhand, the Congress is now dragging in the RSS into the entire incident. The Congress says this is because of hate that is being injected, and that is why Angel Chakma lost his life. Directly blaming the RSS, it is Congress party's Manikam Tagore who says that it's because of the hate that is being injected into us by the RSS that something of this sort has happened. Let me take you through what Manikam Tagore of the Congress party has to say. Congress MP Manikam Tagore says, and I quote, Angel Chakma, 24-year-old MBA student from Tripura, was racially abused as Chinese, and he's also used another term, and he said that he was stabbed in Dehradun and died after days on ventilator. This is not an isolated crime. It is the outcome of normalized hate. Then he goes on to say, when RSS and its 2,000 plus affiliate outfits spread daily hate against minorities and people from the Northeast, it creates street level violence. Such hate finds oxygen when BJP governs a state. So here, directly the Congress party is blaming the RSS and is also blaming the BJP. Uttarakhand is a tragic example. Racial slurs, assault, delayed action led to the death. The FIR itself records racist abuse before the attack. Yet accountability is moving at a snail's pace. So here, the Congress party going hammer and tongs against the Bharatiya Janata Party, against the RSS, also raising questions about the investigation that is being carried out in Uttarakhand. People from the Northeast are Indian citizens, not targets for slurs and stereotypes. Silence from those in power sends a clear message. Hate is tolerated, sometimes even rewarded. Then Manikam Tagore, Congress MP, says this is not law and order failure alone. It is a political failure where divisive ideology emboldens violence and strips victims of dignity and justice. Justice for Angel Chakma is non-negotiable. But unless the hate ecosystem is challenged, Angel will not be the last hate politics killed. So here, direct attack by the Congress party on the RSS and the BJP. Sample more reactions coming in from the Congress camp.
Well, this attitude of the SSP is of deep concern. We have also heard that there was a delay of 12 to 13 days in registering the FIR in the death of Angel Chakma.
You think that
I would urge the state police to first find the main accused before jumping to conclusions.
And now questions are being raised on the delay, on if there was an attempt to downplay the gravity of the crime. There are questions being asked on if there was a delay in filing the FIR itself. Union Minister Kiren Rijiju too is reacting to alleged cover-up attempts. And he too says that it is shameful if there is any attempt to cover up a crime as gruesome as this.
It is a matter of grave concern for all of us. It's not a matter only for Northeast. And don't treat such incident as a law and order or one of the incidents. There's a huge mentality issue. Police will have to act promptly. If police tries to, cover up, then it will be quite unfortunate.
Is the police trying to cover up? That's the question many are asking. The brother of the victim, who was present at the spot, Michael Chakma, is also revealing how the entire sequence unfolded. Michael mentions the group had hurled racial abuses at them, and when they confronted the group, they were brutally attacked.
हम लोग गए थे सामान लेने के लिए, तो हम लोग उधर पे तो हम लोग अपना सामान लेते हम लोग के साथ उधर पे उन लोग का ग्रुप था उधर पे पूरा, तो उन लोग थोड़ा पी रखा था उन लोगों ने, तो उन लोग हम लोग को मेरे को थोड़ा पोक कर रहा था कि मेरे को थोड़ा सा रेसिज्म कर रहा था, तो मैं थोड़ा अपने तरफ से अपना सेल्फ डिफेंस मतलब थोड़ा बोल रहा था कि भैया क्या गाली क्यों दे रहे हो। तो उनका वो प्लानिंग था क्या था वो मेरे को पता नहीं, पर उन्होंने डायरेक्ट मेरे में अटैक कर दिया उन लोग ने। तो फिर भैया आया मेरे को बचाने के लिए आया, फिर भैया को मेरे को कड़ा से मारा, भैया को लगा उससे, फिर भैया को उन लोगों ने चाकू मार दिया स्पाइन की तरफ में।
What would you say about these reports that are now coming out? Police are saying कि ये रेशियल अटैक नहीं था, क्योंकि जो अटैकर्स थे उनमें भी कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो मणिपुर से हैं। क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप उनसे?
ये इसके बारे में तो सर मुझे मालूम नहीं है, ऐसे मणिपुर का ना कहाँ का है सर, लेकिन रहते हैं हम लोग उधर ही सर, चला कोई इलाका में सर।
जी, लेकिन आपके जो बेटे हैं उन्होंने कहा है कि ये बिल्कुल रेशियल अटैक था, जिस तरीके से अटैक किया गया, जो गंदी गालियां दे रही थी, क्या बताया गया था आपको?
हाँ सर, उधर पुलिस जहाँ पे घटना हुआ सर वहाँ में पुलिस गया था सर, जाके सीसीटीवी फुटेज में देखा था सर, मैं भी देखा था सर। तो वहाँ पे 6 लोग एक स्कूटी एक बाइक में आया था सर। तो मेरा बच्चे दोनों बाजार करने गया था, तो सब्जी लेके इन लोग वापस घर जाने वाला था। बड़ा लड़का बाइक में बैठा हुआ था, स्टार्ट किया हुआ था, तो छोटा लड़का बाइक का पास खड़ा था, बड़ा बाइक का पास, तो मोबाइल में बात कर रहा था सर। तो बात करते करते पे उन लोग वहां से 6 आदमी लोग आया बच्चे के पास, मेरे पास इसको पॉक करने लगा, बोला सिंकी मिंकी मोमो ना क्या चाइनीज से बोला था। फिर भी लड़का ने बोला, मैं इग्नोर किया, मैं कुछ देर सूप रहा, कुछ बोला नहीं, बोलने दो बोल के सर।
We're shifting focus now. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is paying tribute to former Bangladesh Prime Minister